And Golden Dragon has just jumped out at 10 to 7 on, racing close to Treasure from draw 1. Both are now vying for supremacy, but 10 to 7 on. Golden Dragon now gets the advantage of handicap to go ahead in the early part of the race. Carlos is traveling third, and upon the extreme wide outside, Master Van Dyke is improving to be close fourth on the extreme wide outside. Fargo has improved just in behind Mighty through the fence. Oscar's Thunder is traveling 3 off the railing. They're now going past 600. Start negotiating the turn. Bumblebee is the second last position. Victorious King is the tail ender. Going on the bit, Golden Dragon traveling nicely in front of Carlos has improved to race second. Treasure is being pushed hard behind the front two horses. Behind Mighty is traveling fourth. Racing inside the final 350 meters, and Golden Dragon quickens very well. About a length and 3/4 ahead of Carlos has gone under the wave. Treasure is rallying to be third. Extreme wide outside is Mighty, but all have to catch Golden Dragon. Golden Dragon is now simply cantering away from Carlos, finishing up second ahead of Treasure, followed by Mighty, Fargo, Victorious King, Bumblebee, followed by Oscar's Thunder. Last of all was Master Van Dyke.